तो पिछले 3 साल में डिफेंस जैसे सेक्टर में मूव आया जो इतना बड़ा ये सेक्टर बन गया है, यहाँ पर आपको लग रहा है क्या कि कुछ हमने 10 साल की अर्निंग्स एक साथ प्राइसिंग कर ली है, या फिर ये रहने वाला है इस तरीके से सेक्टर?
सी डिफेंस एक तो क्या है, देखिए इकोनॉमी इज गोइंग टू गो फ्रॉम 4 ट्रिलियन टू 8 ट्रिलियन. तो आपका डिफेंस एलोकेशन if you don't increase from 2.5% to 3%, then also it is going to double in dollar terms. But if by chance you allocate for
More.
A little more, so you are talking about 13-14% allocation growth to defense in next 5, 10, 15 years. Second, I think as the policy is very clear and rightly so, that we should meet our own आत्मनिर्भरता इन डिफेंस नीड्स, वो था ही नहीं. So biggest change I would say, policy change and actual execution of policy in this government is the Atmanirbharta in defense procurement. But it's early stage. There are not enough companies with the scale and skill and depth. But जहाँ जहाँ है वहाँ तो बढ़ते चला जाएगा. So I would think that this is a very what do you call, very large and essential requirement. Only thing it is lumpy. If you get an order, you get for 1,000 crores and then there is no order for a year or two. So how do you marry that in terms of investing?
आप पॉजिटिव हैं डिफेंस पे अभी या नहीं?
Defense, I am positive. I mean, longer term, I am positive. Right now, there is clearly little froth, and that's why I keep suggesting guys that you must go through the ETF routes, you know, so that and whenever in any company, forget about defense, anywhere, if the sector is heated, your immediate return is going to be suboptimal.